for how to see reels liked by your friends on Instagram. Welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to see reels liked by your friends on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to the section called What You See and tap on Likes. Here, you'll be able to see the posts and reels that people you follow have liked. Keep in mind that Instagram only shows likes from people you follow, and if your friend has a private account, you'll only see their liked content if you're following them. Also, remember that Instagram updates often, so if you don't see this option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. And that's it. That's how you can check out the reels liked by your friends on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to How to Mastery, and share this tutorial with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.